Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system, class 5. This is your science lecture. Today we are going to read and discuss our unit number 9, which is about electricity. So here students, we have pictures of a closed circuit and open circuit. This is the title page of your amazing science book for class 5. Next students, we have our topic of unit number 9. Topic is electricity. Yes, this is the picture which shows that electricity comes from the movement of electrons between atoms. Atoms के दरमियान electrons की movement से we get the electricity. Our first topic is about the structure of an atom. Students, try to understand this structure of an atom. This is the structure of an atom. Inside the atom we have the two particles. Number one is proton, number two is neutron, and electrons of which shows of green color revolves around the nucleus of this atom. So here students, we in the middle or in the center of an atom we have the nucleus. Inside the nucleus protons and neutrons are present. Protons have positive charge and neutrons have no charge, and electrons move around this nucleus. So this is the structure of an atom. When you turn on a light or ring a doorbell, it is electricity that makes the light work, the doorbell ring. All materials are made up of tiny particles called molecules. जितने भी particles हमारे इर्द गिर्द मौजूद हैं वो किससे मिलके बने हैं? They are made up of tiny particles, बहुत छोटे छोटे ज़रात से, and we call these particles molecules. So what are molecules students? Molecules are built from atoms. Atoms से मिलके बनते हैं. Atoms have electric charges inside them. Atoms के अंदर electric charges मौजूद होते हैं. In the center of each atom there is a nucleus. As I told you earlier students, that this is the structure of an atom, and inside it a nucleus present, which is made up of protons and neutrons. Even tinier particles orbit around the nucleus, and these are called electrons. Now the question arises student, that where does चार्ज कम फ्रॉम? ये चार्ज कहाँ से आता है? इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज कहाँ से आता है? प्रोटॉन्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ईच कैरी एन इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. प्रोटॉन्स और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पे इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज मौजूद होता है. दे कैरी एन इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैव नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड प्रोटॉन्स हैव पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन इट, which is equal in size to the charge on the electron, and neutrons have no charge. Electrons do not always remain attached to atom. Electrons हमेशा atoms के साथ जुड़े हुए attached नहीं रहते, बल्कि they can be made to flow easily through copper wires by cells and batteries which push them out. Next students, we have the definition of electric current. This flow of electrons जहाँ से भी flow करते हैं, move करते हैं, is called current. We call it current. Electrons flow easily through copper wire. Electrons copper wire में से easily flow करते हैं, move करते हैं. We say that copper is a good conductor. हम कह सकते हैं copper एक अच्छा कंडक्टर है through which electrons can flow easily. but electrons cannot pass through the plastic coating around the wire. We say that plastic is an insulator. इसलिए हम प्लास्टिक को इंसुलेटर कहते हैं because electrons cannot pass through it easily. Next students, we have the topic of electrical circuit. Here students, we have the full picture of electrical circuit. Try to understand this circuit. An electrical circuit is a pathway along which charged particles can move. इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट एक ऐसा रास्ता है, पाथवे है, जिसमें से चार्ज पार्टिकल्स मूव कर सकते हैं. स्टडी द डायग्राम ऑफ ए सिंपल सर्किट फॉर लाइटनिंग अ बल्ब. So students, here we have this copper wire, here we have the light bulb on it, here we have the dry cell, here we have the positive terminal of the dry cell, and here we have the negative terminal. It means that electrons attached in and electrons will push out from this side. The circuit contains a battery. Circuit के अंदर एक बैटरी मौजूद होती है. This battery is pushing the charge around the circuit. It is connected to the bulb by metal wires. ये बल्ब के साथ metal wires के थ्रू, जो metal से बने हुए हैं, उन wires के थ्रू connected होती है. The metal is a conductor which allows the charge to pass along it. Look at this diagram of the circuit again. You will see that there is a complete path from the positive terminal of the battery to the bulb, through the bulb and back to the negative terminal of the battery. Next students, we have the topic of the switch. What are switches? It is present everywhere in our homes, offices. So switches are made to control electric circuit. Electric circuit को on या off करने के लिए या control करने के लिए we use switches. A switch forms a bridge in the path of the flow of electricity. So here students, we have the picture of a switch which forms a bridge. When the switch is turned on, जब हम switch को on करते हैं, a small metal piece inside it. So this is a small metal piece students, which completes the circuit and the current flows along the wire. When the switch is turned off, जब हम switch को off करते हैं, the metal piece moves away from the wire and breaks the circuit as shown in this picture. So the current stops flowing. What is the size of a current and how we can measure it? In a circuit containing a light bulb, we can judge the size of the current by looking at the brightness of the bulb. A large current makes the bulb glow. अगर ज़्यादा करंट आ रहा है तो हमारा बल्ब properly glow करेगा. It will glow brightly. A small current makes the bulb glow dimly or not at all. For scientific work, we use a meter called a ammeter to measure the current. So here we have students the device. This device is called, or instrument is called the ammeter if you want to measure the current. Next students, we have the kinds of circuit, of electrical circuits. This is the picture of a series circuit and this is the circuit of a parallel circuit. In the simplest circuits, all the components are joined together in one pathway. These are called series circuits. There are no branches or junctions in a series circuit as shown in this figure. It is the simplest circuit and its components are joined together in one pathway. But parallel circuit is different. Circuits have a junctions where the electrical pathway divides or branches are called parallel circuit. So here students, we have different branches and pathways. Heating effect of an electrical current. When a current flows through a wire, some electrical energy is changed to heat and so the wire gets hot. The larger the current, जितना ज़्यादा करंट होगा, the greater the amount of heat produced, उतनी ही ज़्यादा heat produce होगी. Many appliances in our home convert electrical energy to heat. For example, an iron, electric iron, an immersion heater, a toaster, an electric kettle. So this heating effect can be dangerous and many house fires are started when faulty wiring overheats. हमारे हाउसेस में इन डिवाइसेस की साथ जो वायर्स अटैच्ड है वो ओवरहीट हो जाती हैं. इट कैन प्रोड्यूस अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट and this heating effect can be dangerous for our homes. What are fuses, students? Here we have this picture of a fuse. When wires carry an electric current, they get warm. If the current is too large, the wires can get hot enough to start a fire. One way of preventing, एक तरीका क्या है हीट से बचने का? This is to put a fuse in all circuits. के तमाम सर्किट्स में हम लोग फ्यूज इंस्टॉल करें. A fuse contains a thin piece of wire made from a mixture of metals which will melt at a low temperature. If the current gets too high, the fuse wire melts and leaves a gap in the circuit. This stops the circuit. So there is a great use of this fuse. How electricity is produced? So here, students, we have a picture of a power generation plant through which we can generate large amount of electricity. Electricity is made in a special building and this building is called power plant. The machine that makes electricity, ऐसी मशीन जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को बनाती है, is called generator. हम उसको जनरेटर कहते हैं. Our generator produces electrical energy, but it uses energy to do so. It uses running water, burning fuel or nuclear energy to run the generator. इस जनरेटर को काम में लाने के लिए हमें कौन कौन सी एनर्जी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं? रनिंग वाटर एनर्जी, burning of fuel like coal, oil and gas, or nuclear energy we can use to run the generator. It change other forms of energy into electrical energy that we use. Paying for electricity. The amount of electricity used in the home is measured by a meter. So meters are installed inside or outside our homes, which is sealed by special lead tag so that it cannot be tampered with. हम इसको अपनी लिहाज से इसको टेम्पर नहीं कर सकते, मीन्स कि इसको खराब नहीं कर सकते. When current flows through the meter, जब इस मीटर में से करंट फ्लो करता है, the digits or number dialed or the pointers move. These show how much electricity has been used. The meter reader reads the meter every month and bill is sent for the payment. Next, students, we have the safety rules. When using electricity, your hand should be dry when using electrical appliances. हमारे हाथ जो हैं, hands जो हैं, wet नहीं होने चाहिए because water can catch the electricity. Never put a metal object into an electrical appliance. कभी भी electrical appliance के ऊपर कोई metal object ना रखें. Do not plug too many electrical appliances into one socket. एक socket के अंदर ज़्यादा electrical appliances को ना लगाएं. Do not put anything except a plug into a wall socket. Yes, do not use an electrical appliance that has a torn or broken cord. अगर टूटी हुई है उसकी कॉर्ड तो इस तरह के अप्लायंस को फौरन रिपेयर कराएं उसकी वायर को. डू नॉट पुट कॉर्ड्स वेयर समवन विल ट्रिप ओवर देम. सो ऑल दीज आर द सेफ्टी मेजर्स एंड दिस कैन बी डेंजरस, सो वी मस्ट adopt proper safety measures. Next students, we have the exercise work of class 5. Topic is electricity. Question answers. Number 1. An atom is made up of a central nucleus which contains positively charged particles called protons and neutral particles called neutrons. Negatively charged particles called electrons spin around the nucleus in definite paths called orbits. Number 2. Electrons of the atom help in producing electricity. Part 3. The flow of electrons is called current. Part 4. An electric circuit is a pathway along which charged particles can move. Next, a switch is a device which is used to turn a current on or off. Next, a fuse is made of a thin fuse wire which has a low melting point. If a large current flows through it, the fuse wire melts and thus the circuit breaks and the electrical appliance stops working. Part F. The effects caused by charged particles collected in one place are called static electricity. Electricity is made in a special building called a power plant. The machine that makes electricity is called a generator. A generator makes electrical energy, but it uses energy to do so. It uses running water, burning fuel or nuclear energy to run the generator. Next students, we have question number 2. You have to label these diagrams. Here we have the switch, the cell, here we have the switch and the battery. Question number 3, answer is conductor, next atom, then electrons, then protons, then current, then electrical circuit, switch, ammeter, fuse and generator. This is the filling the blanks exercise work on your books. You have to fill it on your books. Question number 4. First one is the microwave oven. Second one is the electrical iron. Then number 3 is the electric heater. Number 4 is the toaster. Number 5 is electric kettle. So you have to complete your exercise work. The question answers must be on the journals, and question number 2, 3 and 4 do it on your books. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.